Push play?
Yep.
Okay, as you've seen in the previous videos, we're continuing with the VZ SV6 3.6 litre and how we've patched in the signal wire, which was over here, because we had 3.5 volts running on this bank and 12 volts running on this bank. So what I did, if you watch the previous videos, I patched into here and to give this side 12 volts. Moment of truth now to start the car, and hopefully it works. Well, we've got a success. It's running fine. However, I'll turn it off now. However, we've bridged the problem here, but we still haven't fixed where the power drain source is. So it's got to go to an auto electrician now, and I'll tell him exactly the problem, exactly what it was doing, because it was hesitating and running like crap prior to me bridging that wire. So yeah, I hope this helps, guys. Cheers.